My name is Kirsten Gent. I started using my credit card. I became way too reliant on it. I got up to around $4,000 in debt, and I realized I had a problem, so I cut my credit card. But the problem was I had an overdraft option on my debit card, so I kept overspending my debit account, which would take money from my credit card, and so I acquired $8,000 in debt through that. And as soon as I hit the 8,000 mark, I literally hit a brick wall in my life. I didn't have any money to do anything. I didn't know how I was going to make payments. I didn't know how I was going to pay my bills, and I really didn't know how I was going to tell my mom. I was planning on telling my mom about the problem and trying to figure out how I was going to get it paid and taken care of so I could move on with my life, but before I got the chance to tell her, she accidentally opened up one of my credit card bills by accident, thinking it was hers. She saw the amount and she called me right away and told me that we needed to talk. And she just kept asking me how in the world I spent so much money in such a short time. And she also asked me why I kept it a secret from her for so long and why I was trying to fix it all on my own instead of going to her for help. Sometimes it just blows my mind that I just look around in my room at all the knickknacks and clothes and jewelry and books and movies and all these things that I spent my money on, money that wasn't even mine to begin with. I spent my money on all these things, and I just reflect back on all the things I could have bought. $8,000 is so much money, and I could have bought a used car and a computer and all these things. I could have bought something that actually would have helped me in the future instead of spending it away on things I never needed to begin with, and on food and on gas and all these little things that are so unimportant.